This is just a quick update for anyone with the iJDMTOY 4th brake light mod that wishes to replace the bulb that it comes with, and you don't know what bulb it came with because it's not listed on the site, and in my case, I couldn't get a straight answer from anyone. Now, my bulb, and this is the one from over 2 years ago, is slowly dying. Some of these LEDs aren't working. I guess the quality is cheap. And on some of the newer ones, which are a different bulb, I've had 2 people report problems where either they couldn't get it to work correctly, even though I double-checked the wiring with them over Messenger, and it was fine. Or in one case, the traction light would keep turning on every time they braked. Again, the wiring was fine. Both instances, I had them replace the bulbs, and the problem went away. Now, as for what bulb to replace it with, I discovered that the 7444 will work. I got the JDM Astar 7444 red. It comes as a pair. The other one's already installed in the car. I've had no problems with it. Now, it worked out perfectly for me, but mine is from 2 years ago. I don't know if there's any changes in how they've done it with the bulb that it comes with currently, but like I said, the 2 people that did have problems, I had them swap out the bulbs, and they've had no issues. So this should theoretically work for you. If you find that it doesn't, or you find, or your case is different, please comment below and let me know. But I will put a link to this particular brand and model bulb at the bottom of the video. Well, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.